Canada 739, Toronto departure, hello, clear to destination San Francisco, climb via Aerosoft A330 departure, Cassett transition, flight en route, departure runway 24 right, squawk 2264. Canada 739, follow company.
Follow company Air Canada 739, heavy.
Canada 169 via Delta cross 33 right, hold short of Bravo.
Hold short of Bravo for 169.
Canada 169 after company A330 passing from left to right, you can make continue on Delta left on Alpha, Alpha Mike to the ramp.
That's the company left on Alpha, Alpha Mike for 169.
Canada 1790, wind 270 degrees, 10 knots, gusting 19, cleared for takeoff 24 right.
Clear takeoff runway 24 right, Canada 1790.
Approaching 24 right.
Canada 739, winds 270 degrees, 10 knots, gusting 19, cleared for takeoff 24 right.
Clear for takeoff 24 right, Air Canada 739.
Canada 7090, left turn direct, Oakville on course.
Direct Oakville on course, Air Canada 1790.
4 right.
4 right confirmed, takeoff. Manflex 48 SRS runway on the first blue. Our set. Knots. Rotate. You're up. Nav. Turn Air Canada 739 1100. 5,000.
Canada 739, Toronto departure identified, climb flight level 230.
Climb for level 230, Canada 739. 230 blue.
Canada 739, right turn direct Ursel on course.
Right turn Ursel on course there, Canada 739.
Canada 7709, no further TC is available, Toronto Center is offline, radar service terminated, monitor Uniform 122.8, good day.
We're going to Unicon now, Air Canada 1790, thanks, have a good day.
Totally press turn that on, please.